Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be giving you some kitchen cleaning motivation, and I'll just be sharing with you a few tips of some areas in your kitchen that we tend to neglect and forget to clean up. So if you're new, please, I would love you to subscribe to my channel and let's get a big family here. So without any further ado, let's get this started. So first things first will be the kitchen curtains. Guys, when you're cleaning the kitchen or doing a deep clean of the kitchen, please don't forget your kitchen curtains or blinds, because they tend to collect a lot of dirt from particles that are coming in when you're cleaning, when you're cooking, and maybe when you're washing dishes, considering where the curtains are placed. So first item is curtains. The next thing we have to deal with in the kitchen are the cabinets. We tend to forget these cabinets when we are cleaning our kitchens, especially when you're it will be good to clean them every now and then, like let me say when you're giving your kitchen a deep clean, and because also they collect dust and grime, especially on the handles of them. So the kitchen cabinets, don't forget to wipe down your kitchen cabinets, guys. They get dusty, they get finger marks, and also the ones which are down, kids can reach them and they collect a lot of kids dirt. If you're new to this channel, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Ninja Shuki, and I like making cleaning videos and giving you home tips on how to keep your house clean. So if you like that kind of content, cleaning, organization of your home, tips and tricks on how to keep your home organized, please consider subscribing. The backsplash, we tend to forget to wipe down our backsplashes, especially where the switch is, and where the switch is, you blend your juices from there, you place the kettle, maybe you have a toaster there, maybe you have a coffee maker there. So that area tends to also collect a lot of dust, and also just wiping it down because it gets dusty. Wiping down your kitchen counters goes without mentioning because it's definitely a high traffic area. It's where you work from. It's your kitchen worktop. It's where you cut your vegetables from, where you make your where you spread your bread from. So wiping down your counters at least every day. I'm going to insert a clip here on the FLYLADY system. It's a system that helps you keep your kitchen clean. It's just going to break down the areas of the kitchen that you'll have to be working on, like if you're doing a deep clean, and also the ones that you work on when you're doing a daily clean. The fridge, just like the counters, I think the fridge also should be wiped down at least every day, because you're always getting vegetables from the fridge, getting milk from the fridge. The handles of the fridge get really messed up, so giving your fridge a wipe down daily goes a long way to maintaining it and keeping your kitchen clean. Any walls in your kitchen are also an area that is neglected when you're cleaning it up. So walls can be cleaned monthly when you're giving your kitchen a deep clean, especially areas where there's high traffic, like here, this area I'm cleaning, it's next to the fridge, so definitely it gets a lot of particles and dirt and finger marks and food splashes around it. So wiping down your walls, wherever any walls you have in your kitchen, also goes a long way in keeping your kitchen clean. Yeah. The hood above the cooker that takes out the smoke also should be cleaned more often, depending on how much you cook. So for this one, I'm going to show you how to remove it, and then yes, you have to clean it up. If it's so messed up, I would advise soaking it in baking soda and a vinegar mix and in hot water. Leave it for like 10 minutes, then you can scrub it off and rinse. Yes, and also wiping the counters more frequently around the cooker area, because those ones get a lot of grease and oil marks. Yes, because of the cooking that's happening around the area. So don't forget to So this is a final look with the kitchen being cleaned up. The curtains dried up, so I was able to put them back. And I would like to say, if you're having trouble with cleaning up your areas, having your home clean as always, I would suggest you have a system of when you have to clean areas, like the FLYLADY system, for example. It breaks your home down into zones, and you're able to know which areas to clean per week, daily and monthly. So also you will notice, like the top of the cabins, they are clutter free. and also the counter is clutter free. So having also clear spaces, having a home for all the items in your house will also help a long way to keep your house clean and organized.